It pops, it grows, it's a golden glow. It bakes, wraps, and it makes you go further, faster, cleaner, better choice for a greener goal. Once a sacred cereal for the ancient Latin Americans, quickly spread around the globe.
Corn,
Milho in Brazil seems to be the best path for a hunger-free and sustainable world. A smart tool to transform sunlight into energy, feed, oil, and food. What if I told you that Brazil is experiencing a new era of a gold rush, real time, right now? The size of this mine is as large as a continent. And the big difference is that the gold itself is not under the soil and it's not extracted. It's planted, cultivated, and harvested, mostly in a region called Cerrado, the Brazilian savanna, that can produce 1, 2, or even 3 crops in the same year and in the same plot of land. Usually soybeans in the summer, corn in the winter, and livestock in between. Second and third crop cultures are now being considered the new frontier of Brazil's agriculture, a raise of a new golden era on already established areas without having to chop down a single tree. Like here in Mato Grosso state, for example, that preserves 62% of its native areas while producing 67% of all Brazilian corn bioethanol and 98% of all this corn produced as a second crop. A similar situation is occurring in at least a dozen other states where cereal-based ethanol production is also expanding. This agricultural gold rush has some special motivations. Renewable energy is a must for the next decades. And if you can generate food and feed in the process, even better. Well, maybe this is the gold we were talking about. Brazilian Distillers Grains. From green to golden.